In this video, I show you how to fix message not sent check option problem. For solving this problem, first of all, make sure you have enough balance to send SMS. Now go to Play Store, then go to search button. Now search for message app. Tap on messages, up to date your messages app. Now go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now search for messages, tap on messages, tap on force stop, tap on OK, tap on storage and cache, clear storage, tap on delete. Now open messages app, continue. Now tap on profile icon. Now tap on messages settings. Now click on your SIM number. Make sure that your SMSC has a number. Now send SMS. Now I hope that this method fix message not sent check option problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Thomas Guide.